everyone, it's JoJo from Mojo Jojo Plant, and today we're going to be flipping through a new sticker book that I found on Amazon while I was looking for more Harry Potter stickers for all the Harry Potter spreads that I was ready to do at the time. The sticker book is from Conquest Journals. I did find it on Amazon. It was $17.99. I'll have it linked down below so that way you guys can check it out. I have another book by them. It's this one, which is just called the Harry Potter sticker book, but you guys, this one is called Honeydukes and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes planner sticker book, which that just makes me so happy. And I saw that there was another one, and then I was like, I have to grab it because, like, obviously we are for the Harry Potter vibes right now. And I was looking for more stickers because I wanted to be able to memory keep for the trip that we did for Europe, and we did some Harry Potter stuff, so I wanted to make sure that I got more stickers for that. And then I found these by some weird chance. So I'm going to just show you guys what these look like because I was really excited. I will say these sticker books do fall apart pretty easily, so I still need to stick a ring on this one. So we'll see if this one falls apart as we flip through it. But it does have 30 pages, and it says it's 30 different sticker sheets, meaning, I'm guessing that's meaning every single sticker sheet is different. So opening it up, we have the chocolate frogs. These are on clear sticker paper, and it's like, this is definitely like a, it almost feels like a vine, like a, maybe not vinyl-y, I don't know how to describe the feeling of this clear sticker paper, but it definitely feels different from some other sticker papers that I've seen. It does have a gold foil on it. So this is the first page, just a bunch of little chocolate frogs. Then our second page, oh my gosh, Bertle and Bot's beans. Oh my gosh. And then we even have all the flavors, every flavor. We have vomit, bogey, grass, earwax, sardine, curry, tripe, baked beans, sprouts. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. All right, these are back on clear. We have birthday, honeydukes, just different things. Still on clear with some of that gold foil. Every flavor beans. This is such a fun book. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are also unclear with some of the gold foil on here. These ones say, let's celebrate, fresh pumpkin pasties, and then just like honeydukes and chocolate frogs. All right, these are on paper. It is a real boom. Exploding bonbons. I like that it's like on a colored page, but that the actual stickers don't have that color. I like a white offset. I mean, some of these do, but not all of them. Like these ones are just like on white and that one's on white. All right, these are still on paper. These are so fun. All right, these are on clear sticker paper. A little closer so you can see. These are back on paper. These are on clear. Gold foil. Again, the offsets on these are all white. Oh, it's Harry's birthday cake. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Everybody is about to be Harry in my planner. All right, now we're getting into some functional. So we had lots of fun decorations. Now we're getting into some functional. It looks like we have some full boxes. I'm assuming this is like sized for, I think Conquest Journals has their own planner. So they're probably close to that size, but I bet you these look pretty similar to a Happy Planner size, like classic size. So they might fit in there. And then if not, there are these like smaller little strips that you can use to kind of take up some extra space if they're too big. But it looks like we have some boxes, we have some checklists, and then some smaller boxes. So here's same layout, just a different pattern. And then some checklists, some full boxes. We have some washi strip stickers over here. And then some more like little decorations. Okay, back to that functional page. And then here's what that washi strip of stickers look like. And then we have some more decorations, some functional. Now back to decoration. These are on clear sticker paper. The Weasleys, measles. Weasley, measly. These are so fun. Gold foil on those. Back to paper. Boxo rockets. And then we have some to-do stickers over here. So I'm going slow because I'm like taking it all in. These are so fun. These are cute. Little cards and a couple functional down the center. Back to some clear. Joke wands. And then back to paper. A little bit more functional. Couple functional and some decorations. Back to clear. And then these ones are still clear with the gold foil. And paper. And a little bit of functional and then some more decorations. Back to clear, just like that hat. And then functional. And some more functional. Oh my gosh, I cannot turn any of the pages. And then last, functional. This is such a fun book. I'm so glad I found this one because this one just has like a lot of really fun. I think I'm the most excited about these stickers in this one. But anyway, I just thought I would share these with you because I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, there's another book. And I love all the Harry Potter stickers and they come in handy when I actually need to do something Harry Potter related like a spread. But there we go, you guys. I'll have these linked down in the description below. I so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!